Hi guys, and welcome back to Etching Phonics. So today we're going to be learning a brand new sound. But first I've got a challenge for you. We are going to go and do all the sounds that you already know. Are you ready? J, W, E, Ch, K, F, S, A, R, B, Z, O, G, P, Y, Q, Ng, I, K, Sh, Nk, D, X, H, V, N, O. Oh, that was fantastic. Well done. Didn't even have to stop and you were super fast. Well done. Next challenge. We are now going to do our speedy white words. So these are words that you already know the sounds to. So we're going to thread them in the head and we're going to say them out loud. Are you ready? Yes. Zag. Jet. Fox. Web. Wet. Wish. Jam. Yum. Win. Jog. Yap. 6. Vet. Clip. Yet. Box. That was fantastic. You've done it, Fred. So we'll be learning our new sound, but Fred is falling a s or e p. Sleep. He's falling asleep. Should we wake him up? Shout him. Go on. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Fred! You're awake now? Thank you. Look, oh look, what can we see in the garden? We've just seen a big bee, haven't we? We've just seen a bee. So, our new sound today, can anyone guess what it is? That's right, it's the E sound. What can you see? E. What can you see? E. What is it, Fred? E. So, we are now going to hide the E sound in amongst the sounds that you already know. So we're going to whisper them, and when you see E, you're going to shout it as loud as you can. Are you ready? Fred, make sure you're not asleep because they'll scare you. Ng. Ch. W. F. S. A. B. Z. O. Did you? Whoa, we heard you all the way from your house with our new sound, which is E. Well done. We're going to practice saying the E sound. So we're going to say it to the ceiling first. E. Say it to the floor. E. Say it to your hand. E. Can you shout it to your neighbour? E. Did they shout it back? So now we're going to do our sounds that Fred's got. And these have all got the sound E in. Okay, so we're going to do my turn, your turn. S, E, C. Well done. S, L, E, P. Sleep. Super fantastic, well done. F, E, 3. Well done. Green. Green. Well done. Seen. Brilliant. That was our green word. How easy were they? You are fantastic. So before we Fred now wants us to do some alien words. So these are nonsense words, but you can still sound them out and they contain our word of our sound of the day, which is E. Well done. So my turn, your turn. E. Treak. Sklee. Steen. Well done. Chief. Well done. Fleep. Last one. Dream. Weren't they good? You were fantastic. Excellent. Let's give ourselves a firework. Excellent. Well done. And remember, next time you see me, tell me which video you watched and what sound you have learned. Till next time, see you later. Bye-bye.